Good morning. Time to wake up.
Good morning. Time to wake up.
Brush your teeth, please.
Brush your teeth, please.
Get dressed quickly.
Get dressed quickly.
What do you want for breakfast today?
What do you want for breakfast today?
Hurry up, or you'll be late for school.
Hurry up, or you'll be late for school.
Time to go to school.
Time to go to school.
How was school today?
How was school today?
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Let's go outside to play.
Let's go outside to play.
Wash your hands before dinner.
Wash your hands before dinner.
Eat your dinner.
Eat your dinner.
Tidy up your room.
Tidy up your room.
Put away your toys.
Put away your toys.
Take a bath and get ready for bed.
Take a bath and get ready for bed.
Let's read a story.
Let's read a story.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.